I'm going to build a price monitor with Axiom's Claude skill, just by describing it. The guide on screen is linked in the comments. If you need to install the skill, click that link. Let's begin. So I've got my description on page. I'm just going to cut and paste that for now. And then I'm going to open up Claude Code where I've already called the skill using /axiom. You can see it asks me whether I want to build a no-code automation or a code. In the description, I specify no code, and Claude starts building. Claude will then start to ask a series of simple questions. You answer them. It helps configure the automation. For example, how often to schedule. Once that's done, Claude validates the code, ensures the automation is correct. Then it will ask you if you want to upload it to your account. Simply say yes. A few moments later, it'll be uploaded to your Axiom account. Open up Axiom. I'm going back to the dashboard where I can now see the automation has been loaded. I'm just going to go through the steps, checking them. I can see the URL of the page has been added. I open up that page. It's the correct page. I reopen up Axiom, where I check the selector that was set by Claude is correct. I can see the price is highlighted. Automation is nearly ready. I just give it a quick once over. Finally, I open up the notification. I can see the correct email, and it's even generated the message inserting the token with the scraped price. It's all set up. I'm just going to check if Claude correctly scheduled it. I can see that's been done. Awesome. My automation is ready to run.